So By Chantal ngiye kwereka uko bateka amandazi vuba byihuse. Ibi nibyo ngiye gukoresha, byose biri hano nibyo ngiye gukoresha. So ngiye gutangira. Noneho tubanza amata naya ngaya nkoresha. Amata nkoresha. Akabariya ngiye gushyiramo hano. Noneho ubwo nkashyiramo agasukari. N'akunyu gake, ngiye gufata akunyu hano. N'akunyu gake. Koresha isukari, akunyu ushyiramo akayiko kamwe gusa konyine, ntabwo ushyiramo akunyu kenshi cyane, kubera ko ushyizemo umunyu mwinshi ntabwo yaryoha. So I use milk and the salt. I put 1 spoon. And then I put sugar. That's how much I put it. You just have to put it as much you can. It depends how much sugar you need in it. So biterwa n'isukari ukeneyemo muze mandazi yawe. Ntange nahisemo ingana gutya, biterwa n'isukari ushaka gushyiramo. Ubwo nkashyiramo isukari hano. Noneho ubwo nkakoresha livire ituma bitumba. This is livire, that's what I use to make mandazi to be fluffy. Yeah, so there you go. I'll put it 1. One is enough for this. Ndashyiramo kamwe karahagije, naka kamwe shyiramo. Ndashyiramo baking powder. I put it baking powder. That's the baking powder. I put it in it. Yeah, you just have to put it whatever you want to put in it. Yeah, that's the baking powder. You need baking powder. Ushyiramo iyo ushaka. Ntabwo biri ngombwa ko ushyiramo iyo ngiye nashyizemo. Ushyiramo iyo ushaka gushyiramo, kubera ko bituma bibyimba. You make fluffy, the baking powder. So, and then I put it like eggs. Ushyiramo amagi, niyo ngubu ngiye kumena. Ushyiramo amagi. Ariyo ngiye gushyiramo ngubu hano. Ntabwo bigoye and guteka ibyoroshye. I'm just making the easy one, so it's not very difficult to do it. So I'm making the easy one. Ndashyiramo amagi atatu. I put it 3 eggs. Actually, I put in 3 eggs. It depends how much flour you're putting in it. So when you see to pingana, bashobora gushyiramo 3 cyangwa 4. Biraterwa ufite upingana. Noneho nkavanga nta kindi. Ndaza gushyiramo lemo. Mfite lemo hano. Ndaza kuyishyiramo mu kanya ndayibereka. I'll put the lemon in it. I will show you guys in a minute. So just going to mix it. If you mix it, it's not working. So I wash my hand. I could use my hand as well. Sometimes it's not easy to just use a scoop. So I'll go ahead wash my hands again. Yeah, I'll go ahead and wash my hands. So noza intoki. Nkaba nakoresha intoki mu gihe bidashobotse ko ngomba kuvanga n'ikiyiko, kubera ko rimwe na rimwe biranga. So you could use your hand. If scoop, it cannot work. Yeah, so you see, it's so easy when you use your hand. Ukoresha intoki birihuta kubivanga. Ngiye ngirubwira. Ngira ubwira mbashaka gukora ibintu vuba vuba. So I'm the rushing person ever. So always I like to do everything quick and getting done. Nkora ibintu nihuta nkabirangiza vuba bikarangira. Yeah, aya mata ariko nakonje shahu. This milk is cold.
Very cold.
Not very. It's not very cold. Sometimes I put some hot water in it, but it depends. Terwa no kubishaka, hari igihe nshyiramo utuzi dukeya tugize.
Hello. Finger.
Yes. I mix well.
Hey, Mom can put this one.
Mix it. Christiana, can you go far away? So be very close. So yes, I use my hand. Let me go ahead and wash my hands. And then I could go ahead and put the flour in it. Nshyiramo ifarini, ngiye gushyiramo ubu ngubu. Oh, ariko nari nibagiwe lim. I was forgetting lim. So I have to ngomba guhata ibishishwa bya limu abishyiramo hano. I have to put a little bit of lim to taste much better. I put a little bit of lim in it. It's not easy. Nshyiramo kari mu bishishwa byabyo gakeya kugira ngo amandazi aryoshye. So put a little bit lim, the peel of lim, to make a mandazi taste much better.
Oh, wow.
Are you coming all of this?
Yep.
Okay, go far away. So because I'm going to be done.
Ooh, smell.
Gushyiramo iyo lim, ntabwo ari ngombwa gushyiramo nyinshi biterwa niba ushaka gushyiramo uko ingana cyangwa amandazi watetse uko angana. So it depends how much mandazi you want to make it. You could do 2 lim or 1. For me, I'll do 1. So I don't need a lot lim in it. But this one makes it taste better. Mandazi yashyizemo kalimu biraryoha. Bidafite icyo uhatisha nk'iki ngiki ukoreshe kuri limu, urashobora kugira ntago mbizi hariho utusekuru umuntu agira dutoya ushobora kuba wakata ugahata limu, noneho limu ukayisekuramo twa dusekuru dutoya, warangiza noneho ukayisukamo. Ariko kubera ko mfite iki cyuma biranyorohera. Okay. Actually, it's enough. Go ahead and use a scoop right now. That's fine. Karimu gatuma amandazi aryoha. Uyu munsi ntabwo nteka amandazi menshi, ndateka make. I'm not gonna cook a lot of mandazi today. So I'm gonna use maybe a few scoops of the flour. Actually, that's the flour I use it. Is the all-purpose. Yeah, niyo nkoresha iyi niyo nkoresha gukora amandazi ariyo yiyi irimo hano nashize hano. Christian uregereye cyane, you so close. Okay, go far away. That's flour right now. So Christian, you stay right there. Make sure people can see what I'm doing. So if I need you to be close to me, I'll let you know. Yeah. Okay, so I'll use this. Ndakoresha iki ngiki kugira ngo nyore ifu. Kugira ngo itanyuzuraho. Ifu ndashyiramo iyo nshobora kuba nakandiramo hano. I put the flour. I can do here. It depends what you want. When you shaka uko ingana, it depends how much you want to put and yeah, kugira ngo bize kubona aho byimbira ndashyiramo nkeya ntabwo ndi bushyiremo nyinshi. This time I need people to see it. Go far away. Okay. This is enough. If I need more, I'll put more. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it now. Okay, I'll put him on.
Can you show them?
Yes. I'm gonna put him on. It depends how much you want to make it. Biterwa niyo ushaka kugira kuko. Second. And you're gonna put him on. We're gonna do it.
Wait.
Hmm?
Keep on going.
Eh?
Keep on talking.
Are you coming right now?
Yep.
Okay. You're so close.
I can go.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. You can come here.
Hey,
show
my
them.
mom's YouTube channel.
Okay. I'll keep adding it until it will be very, very, very strong. Ndashyiramo mpaka ifashe.
Oh, done it. Oh.
Hmm? Yes.
You made a mess on the phone.
That's okay. That's fine. Okay. So
Go.
So actually right now I'm finished to do it. That's how I look right now. Uku nguku nikimaze maze kubiponda byose narangije. I'm going to put the foil on it. So ngiye gushyiraho aluminium for like for 5 minutes. Ngiye gushyiraho aluminium iminota 5 then yo gusa yonyine nkoresha. Biterwa n'uko ushaka uko bibyimba. So it depends on the person. If they want to be very, very big, so they just have to wait longer. But for me, I'm just gonna wait for 5 minutes and you see. Okay, so actually that's how I make a mandazi. That's how I do everything. At least you are very close to me, so that's how I do everything. That's how I make mandazi. That's everything I use it. Nakoresheje amata. Avamo hano. This one you are very close to me. So nakoresha amata. If you stay there, they will see it. That's fine. So nakoresheje amata. Ari avamo hano. So I use milk from here. So and then I use I put like some eggs, 3 eggs. I use 3 eggs. Nakoresheje amagi atatu. I use a baking powder. Nakoresheje baking powder. And then I use levure. So nakoresheje levure. Shyiramo muri ayo mata. Noneho shyiramo isukari. Shyiramo isukari biterwa niba ushaka gushyiramo uko ingana. Nakoresha isukari. Hanyuma nyuma yaho nashyizemo akunyu gakeya, ikiyiko kimwe cy'umunyu. So I use the sugar and also the salt. Little bit salt, like 1 scoop. But the salt, it depends how much you want to put it in it. Unyuze isukari biterwa niyo ushaka gushyiramo uko ingana, ushaka kubirya biryoherera, ushyiramo nyinshi, ushaka kutaryohera cyane, amandazi yawe utaba yaryohereye cyane, ushyiramo nkeya. Noneho umunyu nashyizemo nashyizemo ikiyiko kimwe. Noneho uko ndangije nishyiramo ifu yanjye. So and then I put this flour. It's all purpose, so it depends. Biterwa niyo ushaka gushyiramo uko imeze. Iyi ni ifarini ushaka gukoresha. Noneho ubwo ngubwo nashyizemo noneho nkora peeled nahise nkatiramo intuze lemonade. Reka mbakorere ntakoresheje. I use lemon, a little bit lemon in it. So
Green.
and the
I use green.
that's it. So and then I put a little bit oil in it and end. I use a little bit in it to make it soft. Nakoresha utuvuta dukeya kugira ngo byorohe. Yeah, so nibyo byonyine nakoresheje. Nkoresha iminota 5 hano kugira ngo ntangire nkate mbishyiremo ntangire guteka. Ubwo rero ifu yanjye yasigaye ni iyi ngiyi, ndayishyira igomba kujya, ndayishyira hano. Iyi yasigaye. Noneho ubwo ngubwo icyo dukora ni iki, ndaza gukata intuze amandazi yanjye ndajya nyashyira hano. Iyo nkata nkoresha intoki nkakata, noneho ubwo ngubwo nkakoresha intuze hano. So ahangaha reka nahana gatoya. Please don't be very close to me, go far away. Birangije gukora urahuza hagasa neza. Ndaza gukatiraho amandazi hano. I'm cleaning everywhere, so when you finish to smash everything and so you have to clean first. So that's what I do. And, I like to clean. I like to first clean. So ndarangije yafata kwihanaguza hano. Kuyashyira amandazi mugende kuyateka undi gutegura aho ngomba kuza gushyira amandazi. Ibintu byanjye nakoresheje biri aha ngaha byose. Bigomba kujya mu mazi birajya mu mazi, bigomba kujya mu kabati hano birajya mu kabati, ariko aha ngaha niho nibuza gushyira amandazi. Cleaning my fresh with some of the stuff here with long sugar. Yarangiye ndaza kongera gusubizamo iyi ngiyi ifu. It's fine. This here is finished as well. That's it. Subiza amagi yanjye muri firigo. She's coming at me everywhere I go. Yeah. Okay, so now cut a little bit. Okay, so tugiye gukora amandazi. Ubu ngubu tugiye gushyiramo amandazi mu mavuta. Amavuta ngaya ku mashyiga. Christian. Gaya mavuta. So now we go to make a mandazi. So I put the oil is right here. That's where we're gonna make mandazi. And the right here. So usually I use my hand. I use my hand to make the ball. It's gonna be small ball like this. Make a mandazi. Oh, I make sure nshyiraho amavuta kugira ngo bidafata ku maboko. I put the oil to make sure that doesn't stick on my hand. Make small balls. That's one. So I'm waiting my oil to be ready. Ntegereje ko amavuta yanjye ashya, ariko muri icyo gihe ntegereje ngomba gukora utubumbe tw'amandazi. Ibi biroroshye, ntabwo njya nikoroga, ntabwo njya nikoroga mu gukora amandazi. Nkora ibyoroshye, ntabwo nkora ibikomeye. So I don't do high thing making mandazi. Always I use my hand, just do like this. Christian, go far away. You have to be very, very close to me. That's how I make my holes.
Usually you put a song when you cook.
That's how I make mandazi. Niko nkora mandazi ngewe. Ngenda nkora utubumbe amandazi.
I'm too quiet. That's
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put an oil. There you go. It's ready. My oil is ready. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. Put it in it. It's okay. Stop. It's not. Okay, my mandazi is ready. So, mandazi yanjye ndarangije kuyakora. Mwakoze kureba uko bateka amandazi. Thank you very much for watching how to cook mandazi. I am Chantal. Thank you. Mwakoze cyane. Okay, ubwo tugiye kurya amandazi.
I will try.
Okay, Kristen, she's going to try it. So, you will hummus.
It's good.
I'll just say food. Africana, it is so good. Me and my daughter were eating it. Thank you, bye. Bye, everybody.